Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase user interface design with Adobe XD, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe XD and create a new project. Familiarize yourself with the workspace layout. Select the artboard tool from the toolbar. Choose a predefined device size or create a custom artboard. Start by sketching out your layout using rectangles for sections. Use the text tool to add headings, subheadings, and body text. Experiment with different font styles and sizes to enhance readability. Utilize color contrast to improve visibility and aesthetics. Incorporate images and icons that align with your brand identity. Align your elements using the grid and alignment tools for consistency. Group related elements together to maintain organization. Use component libraries to create reusable design elements. Incorporate interactive elements like buttons and links. Utilize the prototype mode to create user flows. Preview your design to experience the user interface as an end user would. Collect feedback from test users to identify any usability issues. Iterate on your design based on the feedback received. Explore plugins in Adobe XD to enhance functionality and streamline your workflow. Finalize your design by ensuring all elements are aligned and polished. Export your design assets appropriately for development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.